Lord, ay, ginawa mo na naman.
Ano na naman ginawa ko?
Ini-skip mo yung video dyan sa Reels mo that talks about Jesus.
Ang haba-haba kasi.
Yup, tama ka dyan. Mahaba yung mga videos na yon.
You've been scrolling for an hour. Napanood mo na lahat ng prank videos, food hacks, breakup stories, lahat ng mga marites and parites kilala mo na. Nakaka-entertain naman kasi eh.
Yup, you're correct again. Jesus videos are so boring.
Pero hindi ka naman talaga entertained. You're just numbing yourself. Deep down, alam mo na anxious ka talaga. What? And you just skipped the one video that talks about him. Don't listen to him. Nagsasaya ka dyan eh. Yun ang mahalaga. Isang minuto para sa Diyos can change your whole day, you know? Ay. Yeah.
Lord, pasensya na.